Hartwig Crawfish Boil.
I'm Tyler Rowe, Director of Sales for Hartwig. We are at our 6th annual Crawfish Boil here at the Okuma Hartwig Tech Center. We've got 20 machines on display showing the latest technology. We've got 35 vendors in manufacturing to help out shops and 2,000 pounds of crawfish.
Joey Skurlak here at the Crawfish Boil in Houston. Right behind me we've got the Okuma LU4000EX two-turret, one-spindle machine. Hooked up to the machine is the Okuma ORL D16-2 Mark II. It's the first of the Mark IIs to hit the States so far. It's great automation, easy, simplified, easy to integrate.
So this is Okuma's LB45 large lathe platform. So this particular machine has milling and Y-axis on the upper turret. Obviously you can get it static only. But and this one also has the NC tailstock, so it's very fast to get into position and hold position. We're turning 400 thousandths depth of cut per side on this machine, and we're only at 60% load. So because this machine has a 4-speed mechanical gearbox in the back, you can take heavy cuts all day long, no problem.
Behind me we've got the Okuma B40 vertical lathe. This is the 2SP configuration, single-sided, left side, right side machine. Next to the machine is the AWR PC Plus cell. This PC Plus cell comes in 3 iterations: pallet, conveyor, and bin pick. It's connected to 2D vision for the bin pick or for the pallet system at the grip station. Once the arm articulates back this direction, it uses vision, captures where the part's at, grabs it, goes back over to the pedestal, places the part, regrips, pushes it in the machine.
So this is Okuma's LU7000. It's replacing an older oil country lathe. So this one comes with a 22-inch through hole, and you can also get it in a 14-inch and a 12-inch through hole. You can come in, you can pinch turn, you can balance turn, you can come front to back, meet in the middle. You can use the lower turret as a steady rest or a part support. You can get milling and Y-axis on the upper turret, or turning just like this one.
William Gerhofsky with Okamoto Corporation. Here today we're showing our VRG series vertical rotary grinder, commonly known in the industry as a Blanchard construction machine, intended for rough, fast material removal. As you see here, the wheel head covers half of the diameter of the chuck, allowing you to not have to reciprocate, only feed vertically, removing material at a very fast rate. We are also showing our 818 SAIQ, our newest CNC model. These models allow you to shape and profile the wheel. Here we're showing an example of a double angle wheel. Here's a quick little demo of the rigidity of our machine. You can see the nickel that is sitting on there. That speaks to the true weight of the casting of the machine, the rigidity and the stiffness of the column. When you don't have vibration in the spindle, you are not getting vibration in your wheel, you're not getting in your part. That's what allows you to achieve that high tolerance accuracy requirement.
Hi, my name is John Traver. I'm a regional manager for Tsugami, and we're here today at the Hartwig Open House. And this is the demo sample part we're giving away. It's actually a bottle opener and a cylinder. We have a 32mm Swiss machine we're demoing.
Michael Bauer, I'm with Sodick, the applications engineer in California. This is our ALN 600G. This is our top-of-the-line wire. Over here, we're just doing this little 4-axis part for our demo.
If you're looking to add equipment or improve throughput, please contact your local Hartwig sales engineer to see how we can help.